Yo, this actually goes on boost really nice. That is quick, bro. Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Brittany, meet your new sister. We don't have a name for her yet, but I'm so excited right now. I mean, if you guys already seen this video, means that I already bought the car and this is like kind of my journey to get it, but so excited right now, guys. I've always wanted this car that you're reading in the title, and the fact that we're gonna go check it out right now, I don't know if I'm gonna buy it yet, guys, but the fact that we're gonna go check it out, I'm so excited. I've only seen it in pictures, first time seeing it in person. You gotta drive for an hour away. Yeah, I'll probably catch you guys when I get there. I don't think I'm gonna film too much today. First, obviously, we're at another gas station, and $52 later. With that said, let's go ahead and get to the spot because I'm super excited and I can't wait to drive it. So I'm driving right now, and look what's right in front of me. Yo, this is awesome.
One day.
That's the good news, guys. We don't have to drive all the way like an hour away. We're like 30 minutes from home, and he said he's gonna meet us halfway, so that's good. We're waiting like a Culver's, so I'm excited. What do you think? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, Umberto's with us. He's the Mustang owner. That's automatic. Poor guy.
We have been waiting here for how long?
There's been
2
like a day,
hours.
right?
2 hours.
I thought it was a day.
Day and a half.
Dude, things like this happen. I'm waiting for the
told
guy.
you, open the door, bro.
And these people just decided to park next to me out of every parking spot next to me.
Oh, look how many spots.
There it is. There it is. Yes! Okay. There it is.
Damn, bro, it looks so good.
It looks good, dude.
DJ, Umberto.
Oh yeah, I saw it. Yeah, I'm back in shop.
They work on some business. Oh, guy said he wants 10K for the car. Danny only has 20 bucks.
Yeah. What do you think about the car? You saw it in person. What do you think about it?
It looks good to be like
a project.
27 years old now.
Yeah. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, it's good. It ran really good, but it does have like some imperfections that I'm kind of like about. Like,
you can fix it.
Yeah. The only thing is that it doesn't have the 120k mile service.
Bro, with the rims.
I have to really think about it. Rims are really nice, right? Yeah.
Once you paint it, clean it.
Yeah, you just gotta paint it, clean it. I gotta think about it. We're gonna go home now. I'm tired. Bye. And we're finally home, guys. But it's already dark, and I'm just gonna go ahead and talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm really thinking about the car, though. I'm really gonna think about this. Alright, and we're continuing the video, which that means I did end up getting the car. How do I feel right now? I feel pretty excited, and today's not a Z type of day. Today's more of like a mom van type of day, so let's go ahead and get inside. So the last clip that you guys saw of this video that I'm making was like a week ago, I think. If everything goes correct and according to plan, I should be leaving with a 300ZX. Pretty awesome. Super excited. Let's get the energy up and let's go pick up Alex, because we're not gonna go by ourselves. I'm not trying to get jumped or something suspicious. I'm just kidding, it's not. He's a cool guy. But yeah, let's go pick up Alex. I don't want to go by myself. Got the checkbook and I'm excited, guys. Woo! Not expecting this car, huh? Excited? What do you want to get?
Get a car.
Alright, first we gotta get gas, Alex. But how do you feel about the car? What do you think?
I don't know. I gotta see it first.
Gotta see it first. It does need a lot of things, but what is that? But it should be a fun project. Definitely fun. Okay, let's put gas. I gotta hurry. It's like 30 minutes away or so. Alright, so we're 5 minutes away. We're going to a storage space because he has like the OEM wheels and other
3 miles.
Siri, I know.
Turn at Jean Street.
And other little things that I have to, that he's gonna give me. I don't know if the car's gonna be there or we're gonna do everything there and then I just come back home. I think from there we're gonna go to his house and then get the car, then come back home, but we'll see. And we made it. Looks like the car's not here. We gotta get the things and go to his house. Alright, so no texting and driving. We're in a closed area though. So right now we're leaving. Show them a sneak peek of back there. how many parts. Actually, I don't think I can see. I don't know if you guys can see. We tried, but so many parts that we go. Oh god, something's falling back there. Oh, dude, that whole like. There's so many parts back there. We got an extra upper plenum. We got wheels. We got some kind of like carbon fiber. I forgot what he told me for the valve cover. Go ahead and get the car. And yeah, guys, see when we get there because it's like a 30-minute hour drive.
I think so, I don't know.
I'm so excited. We're gonna go get a 300 and we'll see what goes from there, guys. It's gonna be pretty cool for the channel, to be honest. That's the one thing I'm excited about. Something new for the channel. I know you guys love Brittany, but let's get like everything's falling. But let's get Brittany a little sister, and she's actually an older sister. There it is. Here it is, guys. But I'll talk to you guys more about that later. Right now the battery doesn't work, so we gotta pull it, or yeah, pull it and kind of like jump the clutch. This is up first, and then I'm gonna get back to talking to you guys. We did it! Yeah, that was such a workout. Well, guys, I am the official owner of a twin turbo 300ZX. What is going on right now? Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. As you guys can see right there, the PSI is on the left side. And it goes on boost. When I first drove it, it was only doing 4 pounds. And now it's doing 7. And I can definitely feel the boost kick in. Damn, guys. Who expected this? I know I already did the review video of look at the new 300ZX, but who expected me to get a 300? I mean, I did give a little clue here and there, but that was just like, you know, like I wanted one, but I never thought I would actually get one. And this opportunity was like, the car runs very decent, and it was sort of something I just couldn't really pass up. So yeah, that's why we're in this right now. So we have like probably like an hour back home. So Alex is in front of me with a bunch of things on the dad van. Not the dad van, the mom SUV. I wonder how Brittany's gonna feel though. Is she gonna be happy with the new sister, or we'll see. Yo, so like, you want to raise? You trying to raise? He don't want it. He don't want it. You don't want to raise?
Yeah, I don't think so. I'm fine.
Guys, we finally made it home. Before I take Alex out on the drive, Brittany, meet your new sister. We don't have a name for her yet, but so excited. Didn't get his full reaction in the beginning because he wasn't recording, but you liked it, right?
I liked
it. Was
it.
fun. It goes into boost really quick. It's not even hitting. I wish it was hitting 7. We can go ahead and clear the code. Yeah, I know it's not bad. I know when I reviewed the 240. Yo, this actually goes on boost really nice. That is quick, bro. It's only on 4. Alright, let's take it easy though. That is so nice. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much fun. This is the old Gen Z. This is, wow, bro. This is about to be a classic, I think.
This is definitely classic.
Yeah, it's like 1992, so don't go too fast though. That's good, that's good, that's good. Alex is my first friend to drive the car. You were first to drive the 370, now you're first to drive the 300. Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
But for now, we gotta move this car back and that one back there. Now on to Z number 2. This car has such a weird smell. So he told me that to take off the T-top, it's like this right here, I gotta pull it down. Like I gotta put it down like that, and then like that. Oh, right here. And then take it off. Yeah, that's so cool. And then I guess put it in the back seat. But I don't think I'm gonna be taking it off much. So here it is, guys. The new addition to the family right here. Oh, by the way, I don't want to talk about this. I feel really stupid.
Like the front.
You like the front? No, it's so. You know those? Aren't these headlights from the, what is it? Like Lamborghini what? Comments below. Let me know, guys. What headlights were those from? Is it Diablo or?
Maybe. or I think the Bugatti like.
No, it's not. I think it's like Lamborghini Diablo. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. A good amount of work needs to go into the body. It's got some really sick wheels though. I mean, look at those wheels. This got some really nice wheels. They just asked me if I want another Z. Dude, I think I'm good for Z's for now. 92 and 09. What do you think? What's better? Which one looks better? Well, I mean, obviously, but.
I'll be this one.
What is up, guys? This is like the third day I'm filming this video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end it. I just wanted to give you guys an update. The car's been doing good. I've had her for a couple days, but I don't really drive her because I mean it's not registered yet, and I still gotta fix a good amount of things. I'm still gonna make a video making the whole list on everything that I need to fix and all that. I already have a bunch of things ordered, but yeah, next video about the car will be like a list of everything that we gotta do and how we're gonna tackle down the project and everything we're gonna buy. Super excited. Hope you guys are super excited for this build. By the time you guys are watching this, I already uploaded the reveal of the car and you guys absolutely love this, so thank you all so much. I really hope you guys are excited for the build. I know you guys are. I am. Still trying to think of a name, but I think we have it. I'll let you guys know next video, but yeah. Oh, actually, you guys really want to see the engine bay, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Cool thing is, to open up the engine bay is this little thing right here. Pull it, there we go. And so here's the engine bay. Obviously, if you guys know about 300s, the center, I don't know what you would call that, it's missing, as well as the clutch fan. I already have all of that. It's actually really cool. You can see right here, this is the thing that goes in the middle, and then this is the clutch fan cover, which goes on top of this piece right here. We're not gonna get to that today. Probably, like I said, next video we're gonna really tackle so many things. Lamborghini headlights, actually they're from Nissan. Lamborghini is stolen, but they look so good. That bumper's really throwing me off though. And how this happened is 3 minutes of owning the car, okay? I was pulling out, the car was already mine. I was pulling out and I forgot there was, and then there was like that thing that stops you from going over, right? I just forgot that was there and just completely went over the whole thing. And then I heard a and I tried backing out and yeah, the bumper just ripped. So there's that. But yeah, we really have to take care of the car. A lot of things to do, but the best thing out of all this, we're gonna learn a lot together and it's gonna be another fun thing for the channel, you know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave it a big thumbs up, share with your friends, everybody. Welcome me to the 300ZX fam. Oh man, I'm excited about this car, I really am. I know I said a lot, but I truly am. And yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking along, liking the video, subscribing, sharing, and we'll see you guys next time.